what is sexual Kung Fu? Sexual Kung Fu essentially involves the development of two skills: managing sexual energy and transforming sexual energy, which I will go into in a moment. But first I wish to highlight the benefits of practicing sexual Kung Fu. So, training sexual Kung Fu teaches us how to generate our own source of vitality, relaxation, energy, health, and even maybe happiness by activating orgasmic flow in the body and by streaming this orgasmic flow through specific channels in the front and the back of the body called the microcosmic orbit. So, training sexual Kung Fu also helps us to develop more freedom of choice, more freedom of action, by decreasing our addictive desires and behaviors, by allowing that orgasmic flow in the body to nourish our brain, secreting specific substances or nectar, replacing our hunger for destructive kicks with simple and authentic joy, just this gentle feeling of satisfaction to be alive. Last but not least, training sexual Kung Fu also brings us more in touch with our own sexuality and helps heal very deeply rooted wounds and traumatic experiences we're often not even aware of. And even though it can happen that we pass through traumas directly, touching upon it through our practices, we don't directly engage in the regressive healing side, where we go back into the trauma itself, but we heal through progressive healing. So we keep creating more and more vitality, more and more pure innocence, and we heal ourselves in this way.